Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see the version and edit history of your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to go down and select Version History, and you can select See Version History. And this will show you your whole version history as well. And you can pretty much make a copy of items from the versions as well if you want to save it back to your drive. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.